Been really grateful to my parents for raising me very aware of my Māori whakapapa. But I realised that I didn't know what that meant or the responsibilities that came with that. It wasn't until the birth of my twin boys nearly 5 years ago that I truly understood what comes with that, because with them I saw whakapapa for the first time. All the people that was required to come together for them to exist, and then all the potential that comes after them. And that gave me this really powerful sense of opportunity to give them access to their culture from the very beginning of their life. It's been really amazing watching them grow up in places like Ngāti, grow up feeling really familiar on marae, and the way that changes their sense of who they are in relationship to Aotearoa. They stand, at 4 years old, they stand so strong in their awareness of who they are, but who this country is as well, which is, I think, a really beautiful thing. And at the same time, they're teaching me about who I am and where I fit into Aotearoa.